magnet fishing this weekend?
I got lonesome for the water. Probably, I would guesstimate 103.
So we're going out because
We're stupid. Number one. Number two, probably crazy. I don't know.
I'm
So-
sorry.
Hey, like that.
Where'd you make us come this time?
To a boat ramp near you.
This one doesn't
Well,
have to
we've
be a
been
mystery.
here. This will be the third, fourth time we've been here.
Where are we?
We are in Leesburg.
So we are at the Venetian Gardens, one of our favorite places to come. The very first place we've ever did our magnet fishing. Corona Extra, the first catch of the day. Okay, we have a screw and a hook. Ice house. I think it's a pin or a nail. You feel it? All that resistance?
Okay, that was a different place.
Yeah, there's a big plunk down there. Yeah, there's bubbles underneath.
Yeah.
Work it, baby, work it. Bud Light Lime. Chunk of metal and a nut. A nut for a nut. A wormy, Richie found a wormy.
Get the full effect there. Fish with it?
Probably an eagle.
Are they sunglasses?
Fishing glasses, I think.
Oh, cool. They don't look too bad from here.
Whose idea was that?
I think somebody made it.
I think so.
Yeah. Don't you get that near me,
I'm trying to focus.
crazy lady.
That is definitely the weirdest find of the day. It's a little one.
A little pocket one. Whoa, you got some mud going on there.
Cool. Grab it. Grab it.
Look straight. Clean the gunk out, it'd probably work.
Sneak attack. Total sneak attack.
Yeah.
And it's hard to do sneak attack on this because there's no gap. I think it's a steak knife.
Oh my god.
It is. This is a wooden handled one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Are we keeping them all? How many do we have?
No, I think
We got like 6 of them, I think. It's a carabiner.
Yeah.
Put it down here. Like so.
Don't get caught on the pylon.
Nope, I get it close to the pylon, but not on it.
Yeah, well.
And then I bring it around the edge, the corner of the dock, like that. And then I drag straight across. And this is the perfect time to come out. What time is it? We have to remember this.
7:25.
How many times did I work over there? I got nothing today. I think the glove is on the shoot. There you go.
Let's see anything. Grab the knife. That looks nice.
It's been down there a little bit. I'm not sure what it is. Make like sheep and get the flock out of here.
There you go.
Okay. I don't know how the saying goes. We're off like a prom dress. Let's go.
Coming, honey? We thought it was going to storm. And it looked like it and sounded like it a couple of times. Michelle sneak attacked the heck out of that dark and didn't get anything. But I sneak attacked a few times and I got some stuff. So she's very frustrated and doesn't want to talk about it.
It didn't work for me.
It's worked for you before.
It worked for you.
It worked for me. This dock was really hard to do sneak attack on though, because there was no gap between the water and the dock, because it was like a floating dock. So in order to do sneak attack, you had to get a big pendulum swing, and then you had to hit the water before the dock, and it splash all over you. Oh yeah, I have that nasty lake water all over my legs. Yeah. Oh, and this is for Lisa. I don't know if you can see. I have shorts on today. My white legs. You gonna tell us about our finds today?
Well,
if I bring them to you?
I didn't catch any of them.
Okay, I'll do the telling then if you don't want to.
So, Miss Tina Weena had a very good day. I had a very good day too. And you know why? Because I was with my honey bunnies all day. And it was fun.
So, we didn't catch a lot at first. It was one of those kind of deals where we had to stir up the mud. When I got the hook out, I caught this bungee thingy. And these sunglasses. They're scratched.
They're like they're scratched, but they're like the polarized ones,
Yeah,
right?
they're for fishing, I think.
Yeah, so you can see the fishes.
And then I was turning up a bunch of stuff, and this old bobber came popping out. A lot of nail and screw retrieval this time. And those are almost all from sneak attacks.
That's true.
And
bottle caps?
Bottle caps, yeah. And, okay. Now, has anybody seen a lure like this Jobby Do?
It's kind of scary looking.
This is rubbery. There's the hook. There's the tail and the spinner.
Yeah, it just
Ask
doesn't.
Albert. Albert probably knows what it is.
Just does not look right.
What is it, Albert? And I got a key.
Oh yeah.
And carabiner. And Mitchie got the worm.
Yep, I got the worm.
We haven't had a worm in a long time though. This is all the
I know. That's all the hooks.
1, 2,
we
3,
got.
4.
Yeah.
There's 50. We had 50, over 50 last time.
Yeah.
And then I got this. This actually came up hooked to that and that. They came all together. And this looks like it might be from a jet ski or something. It's a little
I bet you it is.
bulky.
Yeah, there's our token steak knife. Miss Tina Weena caught this.
It's really nice. Mitchie's going to clean that up.
Yep.
It's a gorgeous knife. And this, I caught this at the end. This was a sneak attack as well. It's a Smith & Wesson. I tried to open it.
I think it's an older one.
It opens a little bit, but I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah, no, I'll clean it up and.
That's about it. We didn't catch a lot. We didn't plan on being out there as long as we were. But it never started storming. It was supposed to storm around 5, 6 o'clock. It never did. It did off in the distance, but not. We got to talk about the big step thing that we couldn't land.
Freaking nuts.
That was crazy. Ask Michelle to get on it because sometimes I think I'm on something when I'm really not. And she has a better feel for if something's magnetic or not. So I'm like, check this out. See if, I was pretty sure it was magnetic, but I thought it was permanent. I didn't think I could move it. And she got her magnet on it and she started moving it. She's like, it's not moving. And I said, there's a ton of bubbles. You can't see them, but they're underneath the dock. There's a ton of bubbles. So she just kept reefing on it, trying to pull it up to get. We couldn't pull it up.
No.
And then the magnet wouldn't come off because it was lodged.
Yes.
And it was the Precious.
It was the Precious man.
And she was freaking out.
I'm not gonna leave that magnet if at all possible. Not happening.
So we have some footage of it, but most of it is with my chest mount camera. And so you don't see a whole lot. You can hear us.
No, but the dialogue is there. There's a few choice words that are quite appropriate.
But we would really have liked to land it just so you could see it because it was big. It was like a step or something off a boat or a dock. It was huge.
Yeah. People, if you go out in this heat, drink water, drink water, drink water, drink water.
Okay.
Sorry. You're so silly. Alright, folks. This is the Crazy Ants. We had a good time today. Hope y'all enjoyed watching us. We'll see you next time.
Work it, baby, work it. Want to try it again?
Yeah, maybe we can get it to stand up. 1, 2, 3.
No. Yes. Babe, don't hurt yourself. Let me get down there.
I won't. I just want to see what's going on underneath. You know what? It's a stair.
Okay, it's going down. It's going down.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it. It's a what? It's a stair?
I think that's what it is.
Well, we have to bring it up because your magnet's
I know,
on it.
that's the problem.
Okay.
So what we need to do...
We need to keep tying it off.
Yeah, well, we need to loop this around.
Okay. What's been happening is it's getting stuck on the dock.
Is that what it is?
Yep, so I'm gonna... When the dock moves away, that's better.
Yeah, I would kept pushing on the thing.
Okay.
Push on this and move the dock back.
Yeah, I want to lift it a little. I'm trying to lift up on the step to get slack in this rope so I can get your magnet off. I'm letting go.
Yep, that's good. You're good. See, we're gonna lose.
I don't care if we land it. I just want to get your magnet off.
Magnet
of
off? Yeah, I know.
it. Oh man, this is killing my knees.
Going up?
Yep. Stop. Can you hold it there?
Yep.
Don't lift, okay? You just hold. You just hold. Not getting far enough away. Well, I don't know how else, because it's, I mean, we have all the weight on this. There's no way we're going to get the magnet out. And what to do. I wonder if I could get it past this chain down here. So there's more that's underneath.
Yeah, I see that.
That's
Okay.
what's jammed.
Yep, I see that. I'm gonna try and step on that sucker, push it down, and see if it'll go any farther that way.
You want to just cut it?
No, I want my magnet.
No. Hold the magnet and cut the rope.
No, we'll never be able to hold that up. And I would lose my magnet.
Okay. All right.
You're gonna hurt yourself doing that.
Let's get the hook. Get the hook. You can hold it up with the hook and take the tension off the magnet.
Why didn't you say that?
I just thought of it.
I'm giving you a hard time.
I know. Give it to me.
We got that.
It's
tension
jammed.
down there. No, relax. Let go of this one now. You gotta make sure you got a hold of the orange one. Okay? Let go of the blue one. Honey, you don't have to get so crazy. You hear me?
Just get it out of there. Okay.
Let go. You're good. It's okay.
We're gonna lose the. Now we're gonna lose the.
No, we're not. No, we're not. We're gonna be able to get it off.
Really? How do you think that?
Relax. Here, go get some water. Take a little
I'm fine. Let's just get the hook off of there.
All right, I'm gonna try and slide it back that way.
You okay?
I think.
Did it jam you?
I don't think so. I don't know. It hit my hand, so I don't know if it hit me. I think it would have grabbed and tore. I think I'm fine. Motherfucker.
You saved the magnet. I saved the hook. That's all that matters.